What if you could start earning money from your YouTube channel today, even before it's monetized? Sounds good, right? If you're thinking, yes, tell me more, then stick around, because I'm going to show you how affiliate marketing can turn your content into a passive income stream without the long wait for YouTube Adsense approval. If you want an even more detailed, actionable breakdown of how to automate your YouTube channel and online business, click the link in the description. You'll find all the specific systems, workflows, and processes to automate any online business idea you have so that you can make unlimited passive income. Everyone talks about YouTube monetization like it's the holy grail. And yes, AdSense revenue is great once you're there. But here's the thing. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within 12 months to even qualify. That's a tall order for someone just starting out. So, while you're hustling to hit those milestones, there's an easy, practical way to monetize your channel: affiliate marketing. I'm about to show you exactly how it works. Affiliate marketing is as simple as this. You recommend a product or service, and when someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you get a commission. It's like being a digital middleman, except you don't need to stock anything, ship anything, or deal with customer service. You're literally just connecting people with products they already want. Now, let's talk about where to find these affiliate programs. The first one, and probably the most popular, is Amazon Associates. This is perfect if your channel focuses on tech gadgets, home products, or basically anything physical that Amazon sells. Signing up is easy. Go to the Amazon Associates homepage and hit the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself and your channel. Don't worry if your channel is new. You don't need to have big numbers to get started. Once you're in, find a product you want to recommend, like a ring light for filming or a budget microphone. On the product page, you'll see a bar at the top called Site Stripe. Click Get Link, and you'll get your unique affiliate URL for the product. Copy that, paste it into your video description, and you're good to go. Now, when someone clicks your link and buys, you get a percentage of the sale. Commissions vary. Electronics tend to be lower, around 3%, but categories like fashion or home goods can go up to 8%. Next up is PartnerStack, a platform focused on software and SaaS products. This is ideal if your channel is in the tech or productivity niche. Think apps for project management, team collaboration, or even marketing tools. To join, head to PartnerStack.com, click on Get Started, then click on Join Network under Partners and Publishers. Create an account by filling out the details. Once you're in, look through the different affiliate programs under Discover Partnerships. You'll find companies like Monday.com and 11 Labs offering affiliate programs. Here's the best thing about promoting software. Users usually pay for these with monthly or yearly subscriptions, so you get a commission every month as long as they stay subscribed. Here's how you'd sign up for, say, 11 Labs program through PartnerStack. First, search for 11 Labs in the PartnerStack dashboard. Click on Apply to the network to unlock and fill in the application. They might ask about your content and audience. Once you're approved, you'll get a unique referral link. Use that link in your video tutorials, like how to use 11 Labs to create faceless videos and encourage viewers to try it out. Then there's the Online Business Academy, which is perfect for creators targeting self-improvement or entrepreneurship audiences. They offer courses on everything from personal finance to online marketing. Their affiliate program pays high commissions because their courses sell for around $100 or more. To join, visit their website, scroll down and click on Affiliate Program. Then click on Join Now and fill out the details. If you're quick enough, you can get 30% commission from every sale you generate. They'll provide you with marketing materials and your unique affiliate link once you've been approved. Promote these courses by creating videos like 5 skills that will make you more money in 2024 and include your link. So, you've got your programs, but how do you make affiliate marketing actually work? It starts with your content. Don't just slap links in your description and hope for clicks. You need to make your content valuable, and there are a few different formats you can use. If you're promoting a physical product, create in-depth reviews. Don't just say, "This gadget is great." Instead, show how it works, who it's for, and why it's better than competitors. Another powerful format is comparison videos. For example, if you're in the tech space, compare two popular cameras. Title the video something like, "Best Budget Camera, Sony ZV-1 versus Canon G7X." In your description, include affiliate links for both cameras, and let the viewer decide which one suits their needs. And here's something that a lot of people forget, and I don't want you to make the same mistake. Always include a clear call to action. Don't assume viewers will automatically check your description. Say something like, "If you're interested in trying this software, click the link below to get started. It helps support the channel, and I really appreciate it." This small push can massively increase your conversions. You might feel uncomfortable doing it at first, but the truth is, people will actually want to buy if you're offering a valuable video and you're being genuine. Another pro tip: optimize your videos for search. Use tools like vidIQ to find keywords that your audience is searching for. The more specific, the better. This not only helps your video rank higher, but also attracts viewers who are ready to buy. Oh, and one mistake new affiliate marketers make is promoting too many products. Keep it simple and focused. If your channel is about tech, don't suddenly start promoting cooking gear. It confuses your audience and dilutes your message. Stick to products that make sense with your niche and genuinely add value to your viewers. Transparency is non-negotiable. Always disclose that you're using affiliate links. It's not just a legal requirement in most places. It's also about building trust. Add a line in your video description like, "Some links are affiliate links," meaning I earn a small commission if you purchase through them at no extra cost to you. Finally, don't forget about analytics. Most affiliate platforms have dashboards showing your clicks, conversions, and earnings. Use this data to see what's working. Are certain videos driving more sales? Double down on that type of content. If a product isn't converting, either your audience doesn't need it, or your pitch needs work. Affiliate marketing isn't a magic money tree. It takes time, strategy, and consistency. But if you follow these steps, you'll set yourself up for long-term success. And the best part is that once you've uploaded a video, it keeps working for you. Those links can bring in commissions for months or even years to come. If you have any questions about YouTube automation and affiliate marketing, or if you want to learn about more specific tools and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside the Scale Society, we share exclusive tips and updates on growing automated channels, making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's a great way to network with and learn from successful people. Get feedback and find inspiration. And again, it's totally free, so come hang out with us there. Where are you at in your YouTube automation journey? Have you tried affiliate marketing yet? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.